We gon' burn it down. We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down.
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Shoeperfly. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Shoeperfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, the Chuck Taylor All-Star GR82 from Converse offers up the trending apocalyptic style combat boot by doing bigger and clumpier, but just without all the weight and heavy lifting typically required of others. With its chunky heels and embossed hook and loop straps, the Chuck Taylor All-Star GR82 shoe is equal in parts design and utility, merging battle with chic inspiration that offers a durable boot-like upper that protects while the eye-catching straps attract and keeps the fit secure, looking strong yet muy caliente. Did I say that right? Muy caliente. Caliente. I know. Stop. The GR82s up the attitude and utilitarian fashion in eye-catching colors, white, black, black, gum, and love fearlessly with colors teen red, black, and amethyst gray, black, featuring an heart accent. Currently retailing at $110 for these colors and at a sale price of $74.97 for the colors black, silver black, and medium olive black, light fawn on the website converse.com. converse.com. If you're wanting shoes, reviews, and trending shoe news, then subscribe to my channel and definitely get more. Now, the imported Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star GR82 lug sole combat boots, here in a size 8.5, are made of tough but comfortable Cordura fabric. What's Cordura, you may ask? As I didn't know myself. Well, Cordura fabric is a synthetic material usually made of nylon, but sometimes blended with cotton or other natural fibers, as it is built to last. Waterproof, breathable, and easy to care for, with these boots are made of, featuring the fabric upper and lining, a rubber sole, round cap toe, and leather grip, Velcro closures with adjustable Velcro ankle straps to offer that secured fit. With the Converse word mark, Converse here, Converse there. Lace up vamps. And an elevated 3.5 inch heel and 1.5 inch platform heel for added height, which honestly feels more like 2 inches. There is a hook and loop closure for easy on and off with 2 pull tabs at the heel, which, if you remember back to the Amiri boot, one of the things that I didn't like about the Amiri boot was that it wasn't easy to put on and take off. Well, not with these babies. Very easy off and on mobility. So what do you think? I'm really curious to know. So let me know. Should you be down with these, you may ask, though? I say most definitely, as they are Shoeperfly and a must buy, as the boots are both stylish and comfortable and at a price that truly undervalues their true worth. A bargain buy, if I may say so myself. What do you say? The GR82s do fit a bit larger, maybe about a half size larger, which to me is a good thing, because anytime I could get away with my foot looking smaller, I'm all in. So go a half size. I recommend going a half size lower than your normal shoe size. While you can feel the chunkiness as you walk, you can feel it. It is not heavy at all, and the boot is actually really comfortable despite the way it may look. I also love the adjustable straps for perfecting the fit and not strangling my ankles as well. A definite come up for Converse, if I may say, not to mention a big look with them being offered at the high-end department stores, Bloomingdale's and Saks Fifth Avenue, that sells everything luxury. Wear these babies with legging bottoms and a jersey top for simplicity, or a pair of cargo pants and tee for a street vibe, or even a peasant or milkmaid dress for a somewhat more demure look, as they're just that versatile. I wouldn't steer you wrong. You know, I wouldn't steer my savages out there wrong. No, sir, as I appreciate you way too much. So here, take a close So do I. If you liked this video, smash that button and subscribe to my channel for more. So, you know, I like to bring the news. So, just a little, in case you didn't know, you know that the Converse shoe company is owned by Nike. Yep. I didn't know that. But it is so, with the Converse brand being an iconic one just as much as Nike, with the design style simple yet classic and versatile yet effortless and clean. There is simply a Converse for everyone, with millions of people around the world wearing the Chuck Taylor name on their ankles every day. And get this, there really was such a person as Chuck Taylor, whose brand grew with the shoe even as his persona, his real persona, was lost. Mr. Charles Taylor's greatest legacy in life is the iconic Converse All-Star shoe that he helped improve and tirelessly promoted for nearly 4 decades of his life. He loved the game of basketball, loved being a part of it, putting on clinics all over the country, helping kids learn how to play better, and even playing himself on Converse's own team, even generating publicity in local newspapers, which the self-promotion did pay off quite well for the brand, big time. The All-Star sneaker debuted in 1917 with Converse adding Taylor's name 15 years later. People would order quote unquote Chuck shoes or quote unquote Chuck Taylor shoe instead of saying the Converse All-Stars. So a signature was added just under the 5-point star. Now, that was all good, but what I do find questionable is that he never asked for or received royalty for having his name on the shoe. He might have asked for it, but let me tell you, he didn't get it. So while Air Jordans earned Michael Jordan far more money than he ever made as a baller, Taylor made off only with a full expense account and commission. Maybe that expense account was astronomical, but I doubt that. So by the time Mr. Taylor retired in the mid-1960s, he had been out on the road selling Converse for more than 40 years, having married twice and bearing no children. His estimated worth, you ask, was between $1 million and $5 million, with them continuing to be the favored shoe of the NBA until the late 60s after his death. And speaking of Michael Jordan, Michael Jordan's game-worn Converse sneakers that he wore during the 1984 Olympics for the gold medal game against Spain sold for a record $190,000 US in 2017 at an auction, making them the highest selling game used kicks ever at the time. No joke. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.